Hey, this is Evan from Octane Electrons. Today we're going to check out my 1975 Harley XLH Sportster. It's an Ironhead Sportster. And I'm going to be putting this bike up for sale, so I figured might as well do a video here showing it, running and all for the sale. But also thought people might like to see it. But yeah, it's a really nice original bike. That's why I bought this. I like Ironheads and looked around for a while trying to find a really original one, and this was pretty close. It's got a few upgrades, but stuff you'd really want for a good rider, so not a problem. Got a cool period sissy bar on it, great tank, nice fenders, paint's good. It's a single front disc model, drum rear. It's a 75, so first year the left side shift with the kind of crazy crossover shifter linkage. Yeah, let's take a look. Great tank, super awesome 75 AMF tank graphics. I love these. The red, white, and blue stripe is killer. Pretty original, like I said. We'll go over a few of the upgrades. Motor's been rebuilt. Got some of the paperwork on it. I'm not sure it documents everything, but I've scoped it too. The cylinders are perfect and no carbon on the pistons or anything. Runs great. Nice original primary cover. There's that huge shifter set up to cross over to the right side, because I think 74s were still a right side shift, so they just kind of tacked this on, but works well. You don't really notice anything different with it. Good clutch, good primary chain, everything's great there. Cycle electric generator, which is a great upgrade for the charging system. This is our single disc front. Fork seals are good, and the forks work great. Do have a little brake fluid drip sometimes from the front caliper. Drips from the bottom, so not from the line or the bleeder or anything. So I think maybe it's coming from the piston. So I'm gonna bleed it again and check it out and see if I can fix that. But it does drip sometimes right from the bottom there. Haven't looked into it yet, but I've noticed a little bit of a drip underneath it sometimes. But yeah, front brake works great, and pretty minimal leaks at all for an Ironhead, really. Primary doesn't leak at all, which is nice. Got a nice set of highway pegs on the front, which really makes this thing super comfortable to ride. I've had a couple Evo Sportsters, and I feel like I'm just too big for them, but this Ironhead's great. Got a Corbin seat. Good shocks. They're a little soft on the rear. They're probably fairly old, but they're not blown by any means. They work fine. Wheels are in nice shape. Swing arms in great shape. Wiring's good. New battery. Horn, all the electrics work. Pretty killer sissy bar. And looks handmade. Probably pretty old. I like it on the bike though. It's staying with it. Nice tank on this side. Got a Harley gas cap. 21,700 miles. The trip reset does not seem to work. I've tried lots of stuff with it, and I've never got it to click over, which is kind of a bummer. But like the counter works fine, just the reset doesn't work. Controls, switches are good. Turn signals, lights all work. Generator and oil pressure, high beam, all works great. A little worn on that side, but kill switch, start, turn, all work good. Nice throttle. What else we got on this side? S&S Super E. It's an older one. I've gone through it and rebuilt it. Had a problem with the accelerator pump was put together backwards. The diaphragm was backwards when I got it, so there's no accel pump working. So sorted that out, and it certainly runs and drives great. Nice original buckhorn bars. Sure, those grips have been changed. I don't love them, but they work just fine. Let's see, what else? Yeah, good looking paint. Python exhaust. We've got a Harley logo up here on the cover as well. Fend timing cover. Python duals, like I said. Nice exhaust. Fairly loud, but it does sound nice. rear drum setup's nice. Everything's pretty clean. Chrome's good. You know, you do have some, I haven't polished the wheel. I just got back from riding it a little bit ago, so you definitely get some, you know, chain lube and grease and stuff on the wheel there that will polish up fine. I haven't, but will certainly clean up just fine. And great oil tank. Sticker's in nice shape. Oil tank does drip a little bit, which I'm sure you wouldn't be surprised to hear. Drips from the drain plug just a bit, and it'll drip on the pipe wrap. Starter's good. Has the because I remember looking it up. There was different starters for these, like a Mitsubishi one, and what is it? I don't remember how you tell. Oh, Hitachi, that's what I was thinking of, which is what this one has. Yeah, wiring's all good. Top end's new and fresh, sounds great. Doesn't really leak oil, which I've been impressed with. Like, I mean, I said the oil tank does drip a tiny bit, but primary doesn't drip and engine doesn't drip, which is nice. So yeah, there's a good look over it. Corbin Seat's nice. Pretty comfy. It is fairly hard, like most Corbins, but it puts you in a nice riding position. All right, let's go ahead and fire it up. Got the key on here. Lights on. Got gas on. Choke a little bit. Kill switch on. There we go. So yeah, thanks for checking it out. Hope you like it. I think it's a pretty sweet Sportster. I've had a lot of fun with it. But unfortunately, I got to move on. Other projects, other bikes, and I'm going into winter. And just don't think I'm going to hang on to this thing. But been awesome. Had a lot of fun with it. So hopefully you can pass it on to a good home. Right on. See ya.